So, hi friends. Today we will be discussing an opportunity after BSc Physics and Chemistry, that is the stipend training jobs in India's prominent institutes like BARC, RRI, IGCAR, and VECC. So, normally for stipend training positions, they call for engineering graduates or ITI graduates as well as basic sciences like BSc Physics, Chemistry, etc. But here we will discuss about the physics and chemistry opportunities. So in case of BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, they call for the position of stipend trainee as category 1 stipend trainee, and mostly they call for chemistry. And for that, eligibility is the minimum 60% marks in BSc from a recognized university with chemistry as principal subject and physics and mathematics as subsidiary subjects. The age limit is 18 to 24 years, and the selection procedure consists of two steps, two stages: the written examination and the interview. The candidates must qualify the written examination in order to qualify for the interview, and the final selection is solely based on the interview. And the syllabus is, you have to cover the basic concepts in the degree level, in the BSc level. No advanced questions will be asked. Next, we will see the IGCAR, the Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakam, in Tamil Nadu. So the eligibility, IGCAR calls for BSc Physics as well as chemistry students. So the eligibility is minimum 60% marks in BSc from a recognized university, and for physics, main subject should be physics and degree with subsidiary subjects as chemistry and maths. And for chemistry students, the main subject should be chemistry and the subsidiary subjects should be physics and maths. The age limit is 18 to 24 years on the last date of receipt of online application. The selection procedure, as I have already mentioned for BRC case, is the two stages process: the written examination and the interview. And the final selection will be based on the marks secured in the personal interview only. No weightage will be given for the marks scored in the written test. The written test marks are only for the purpose of shortlisting the candidates for the interview. And again, the syllabus is that you have to cover the basics of basic syllabus, basic level syllabus in the degree level. And next, VECC, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center. Again, all the procedures are same: selection procedures, the syllabus, and the eligibility. Everything is same. And similarly, RRI also sometimes calls for the position of stipend trainee. And now let's see what happens after you've been selected for the position. So the selected candidates will have to undergo a training for 2 years. The training program will comprise of 6 months classroom training and 18 months in plant or on-the-job training. So during the training period, the candidates will be paid a stipend of 16,000 for the first year and rupees 18,000 for the second year. And there will also be a one-time grant of rupees 3,000 as book allowance. And after the training, there is certain criteria that for you to be successful in the training. For the successful candidates who have secured a minimum marks, which you can see from the website. Minimum marks after the successful training, the successful candidates will be absorbed in the post of Scientific Assistant C. It is a really good position with pay level 7 and rupees 44,900 plus allowance as admissible to the central government servants. So this is a really good opportunity, but you have a bond obligation here. The candidate selected for the stipend trainee category 1 will have to execute a bond to complete the training and serve the department for a period of 3 years after absorption. That is, before you start the training as a stipend trainee, you have to sign a bond which states that you have to serve the department for at least 3 years after being selected to the position of scientific assistant. So if you're not able to complete the contract, you will be you will have to submit the entire allowance they have paid you during all the years of the stipend trainee period back. So this is a really good opportunity. It's a scientific assistant position and pay level 7 with a really good salary and allowances. Thank you.